What up, guys? How you doing out there? What's the dealio? What's the dealio, guys? It's got an interesting day going on today. We've got lots and lots of action happening here on Monday. We've got TEXCOIN. We've got YokuCoin has a Cyber Monday, and that thing is going to give you a 40% discount. So don't forget to hit the button down below where it says YokuCoin.com register. You could register under me. I'd appreciate that. That would be really cool. What else we got going today, guys? Yeah, I'm a little bit under the weather today. We've got LendConnect. We've got UnixCoin. You could jump on that right about now. There's all kinds of ICO action that's happening today. So again, you want to definitely be locked and loaded on this stuff. Get your coins, in the proper wallet so you guys can make a move, because guys, just like I do, these ICOs, I mean, I don't know what it is, what kind of servers these guys are on, but they definitely are selling out within minutes, and I've got a couple of them that I've been able to jump in on, as well as some that I just get locked out, within 2 to 3 minutes. So, guys, definitely put LendConnect on your radar for sure. And then we got to see here, like I was telling you before, Cyber Monday. They've got the 24 hours here today, Monday, November 27th, sorry. And you can get in on that. That's a good one. Then we got TEX.io. That's definitely something that it seems to be moving up. They started it at 50 cents, and now we're at 80 cents with it. The next round's going to be 95, and then that should be done between November 28th and December 4th. Bank Era has a actually, I think that was just started. Bank Era's got their ICO. They did a pre-sale, and they did about 16,000 pre-orders. But I mean, that one there, like I said, I mean, I like the marketing that they did on it, but again, I mean, you're talking about over 25 billion coins. So that thing is like almost sub penny. That's like like about a penny per token. So. But I mean, if they do a good job, it might end up turning out to be a really good investment. So who knows? And that's definitely something that you guys should look into for sure. My main ones today is definitely going to be UnixCoin. It's going to be TEXCOIN, Tex.io, UnixCoin.com, and then LendConnect. So we've kind of talked about LendConnect in some of my past videos. So you guys, if you like my videos, definitely subscribe below. I definitely appreciate it. And if you guys want to sign up to any of these ICOs, please join through the links below. It literally will take you 10 seconds to sign up for these things. It's that simple. You put an email address, you put a password, you confirm your email, you log in, you put in some little CAPTCHA, or some kind of, and you're literally in, you fund your wallet, and you guys are off to the races. That's what I do. I'm not feeling so great today, so I definitely want to tell you that, but you know what? I stay in the game. I'm staying in the game, and I'm working, because you know what, guys? I could lay in bed, and trade, with one eye open with my MacBook, and literally make as much money as a doctor makes, going into working from an ICU. You know what I mean? It's like you could do ICOs or you could do ICU. You pick what you want to do, and even on an off day, I could make, I can make 2 3x on my money. If you give me a month, I can make 20 to 30x on my money, and I mean, it's up to you. You've got to make the move on these things. You got to be ready for them. And when you're really ready to get serious on trading cryptocurrencies, definitely definitely join out. I appreciate. Like I said, I got the live chats here. I got people making comments. I'm loving it. And throw me a 1 if you see my screen, or throw me a 2 if you see a black screen. Tell me what you see. I think you are seeing the black screen. Give me a 1 if you see a. Let me see if I'm going to do a share screen here. I'm playing around with the brand new software that I got here, guys, and I just want to let you guys know. Let me see if I can start a share screen. I'm going to keep that going. It's not too big of a deal, guys. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what you see. It matters what you make in your bank account, in your crypto wallets. That's what matters here. Is to make sure that you guys are getting dough. And that's the most important thing. So let me go ahead and jump into some of these in a little bit more detail, guys. So I want to talk about UnixCoin right now, because there's people that are talking crap about it. There's people that are talking good about it. Let's get the rumors out of there. And let's just cut right to the schedule. And that's going to be the most important thing. Is this thing viable? Why would people want to jump in on this? Why would they? Why wouldn't they? So much and so forth. So let me see if I can find that white paper. Hang on 1 second here. Okay, wake up to success. That's what they're saying on Bitcoin, BitcoinTalk.org, of all places. Okay, hang on 1 second. Here we go. Okay. Let me look here for a second, guys. Again, like I told you, it's going to be kind of a slow day. We're moving into the holiday season here. For those of you guys that don't have an account, you guys really need to get it set up, or you guys need to get it going, because this thing is about 46 minutes away from the ding bell, the opening bell, we'd call it. So definitely you want to go sign up. You can click the link below. It's my link, but it's UnixCoin.com. You can just go ahead and click it right there, wake.unixcoin.com/register, and then there's a little referral link. Just click the link down below, guys. That's all that you got to do. Like I said, you want to be an early mover on this, because you guys have to realize that these things are time is money. And my success rate is about 78% when I'm going into buying into these crowd sales, because they sell out quickly. You got to be logged in. You've got to have your wallet loaded with the amount that you want to buy, and you got to click around and hit some of the buttons, so that way you don't accidentally log out due to inactivity, and that's the most important thing, guys. And remember, subscribe. I'm putting together an email list right now, because I've got a bunch of people that I'm talking to right now about jumping into. People that like my videos. They want to be on the email list, just in case they're out. They can get a look at basically an alert on what's next and what's hot. So, this is just what's happening this week, guys. There's always new stuff coming up next week. I've got insider information on ICOs that are coming up right away. I want to get you guys into these things before the crowd jumps in, because that's what it's all about, is getting in at the right time on the ground floor, guys. I don't want to see this happen to you. So, guys, again, YokuCoin.com. Today, you can get the 40% discount if you go ahead and make a move now. You got TEXCOIN, You've got here. I'm going to try to see if I can edit that, and let me just put in here LendConnect. Yeah, lots of activity going on, guys, today, this week. I mean, I think there's a lot of big plays that are going to happen between now and the holidays. I just want to make sure everybody can make a boatload of cash before they go into the holidays, because of course I've got Ethereum, I've got Bitcoin, and those things are definitely moving up in a favorable direction, as I predicted in my last video. Actually, it was 3 videos ago where I said I was checking the charts. I did a nice analysis on Ethereum, and I'm telling you, Ethereum is going to break out. It's going to do exactly what Bitcoin Cash did just a few weeks back. So yeah, again, but that's 2x, that's 3x you're looking at, which is great, but I'm looking right now at the type of ICOs that are potentially, they're risky though. They're all risky at the end of the day. Potentially 20x, 15x, 30x, that kind of stuff, because I want to double. I want to make 15x of my money, so that way I could then roll it into some other currencies as well. So that's what it's all about, guys. And I'm going to show you guys my trading strategies as we develop our relationship. Because like I said, I stay in touch with you guys. Leave any comments down below, and we're definitely here to help you. And any type of video that you would want to me to do an analysis on with my team, I would be happy to do that. Just put the name, put the domain name, or put the coin name in the comment section, and I'll definitely run an analysis with my team, and I'll even do a video on it for you and let you know if I think it's a lemon or if I think this is a potential gem, and let the people that I know on my Telegram groups and in my YouTube channel, in my email list, what the deal is. So we've got other channels. This is one of our new ones, and so like you said, this one should populate nicely with some nice followers. In the meantime, we're really starting to push the brand, CryptoConniption.com. Crypto Conniption, because you know what, I like the name. We were talking about various names, and I like it because the world right now is having a conniption fit over cryptocurrencies. I mean, people are loving it. People are talking crap about it. It's like emotions. It's like when people talk about the president, people either love it or they hate it, but there's going to be something there, And that's exactly what we're dealing with cryptocurrencies, except with cryptocurrencies, 90% of the people are loving it because they believe in it, they see the value, and they see that it's a game changer. We're definitely now moving into the 21st century, finally, in terms of the financial system, So, again, I mean, talking about, a lot of these payment processing platforms that are coming up in fintech. I mean, it's unbelievable what's going on. You try to set up a standard merchant account, and it's like they find a way to delay and cause you all kinds of problems when they realize that they're about to go out of business pretty soon due to cryptocurrencies and whatnot. So hopefully the banking industry and traditional financial industries will see the value, and go from there. So guys, so let's talk about the TEXCOIN. I want you guys to look into that as well. I'm not going to spend a lot of time going into any of these right now, because guys, it's now time to jump in. It's now time to make a decision. Go do your research now. It's tex.io. Click the link below. You guys, and like I said, like my video. I'd really appreciate it. This thing you could pick up for 80 cents per TEX right now. TEX. It's definitely something that I'm jumping into for sure, and I've got my wallet. I'm checking my wallet right now. I've confirmed I do have BTC that I put into my account, and I will be participating in this ICO. I really will be participating in this. I'm not going to buy a ton of it, but I will be buying some, and I hope to get in at 80 cents. So there's 17% available on this round of 3.6 million tokens. Again, if you're just joining us now, guys, we're just looking into TEX.io, getting the ICO details. We're in the third round, and the next round they're going to complete it out, I believe, at 95 cents. No, I'm sorry. There's another round after that. So like I said, this is about the halfway point. So you guys, there's a lot of meat on the bone with TEX. There's a lot of meat on the bone. The next round is going to start actually tomorrow, and that's going to start at 95 cents, and that's going to be 4.5 million. And then the final round is going to be in December, starting on the 4th and ending on the 10th of December. And they're going to let the final 5.4 million tokens go at $1.10. So again, that's about over 35% price difference in where we're at today with these levels. So guys, TEX.io. This thing is going to go in 1 hour and 38 minutes. So I definitely want you to look into that, whatever you guys end up doing. And if it's something you like, just click the link below. I appreciate the support any which way that you guys want to support me, because you guys know I support you. And in any way, shape, or form, and like I was telling you before, any analysis that you want me to do with my team, I work daily with analysts. I work with attorneys that specialize in this industry, so we kind of have a good grasp. But again, like I said, all these are risky. I've lost on these things before, but I've won a lot more than I've lost. So guys, do understand that it is risky. It's a risky game, and I don't typically do the maximums on these. I typically will go ahead and buy, a couple hundred tokens here, a couple hundred tokens there, wait it out, and then if I see it really popping up nicely, I'll go ahead and cash in. So that's how we're making cash, guys. At some stage, we're gonna do some cribs videos and have some fun and all that stuff like that. But you know what, guys, we're not there yet. We're on the way. We're on the way there. So it's all that. But let's just stay humble and know that getting back to what we were talking about, ICUs and ICOs. I can lay in bed feeling crappy, and I can still make tens of thousands of dollars in one day, easily with this stuff, So I don't know. Let's see how much money we make today. Maybe I might just make a couple $1,000. Who knows? Maybe I might just make a few bucks. Who knows? It's just all about the taking of the risk. So guys, UnixCoin. This one here is starting very, very, very shortly. We're about 35 minutes away on it. So go ahead and check that out. Click the link below. I hope you guys like my videos. Please do stay tuned, because I've got more videos coming up. I did a video earlier today about Bankeros. Well, I wouldn't say it was a very long one. I saw some other guys put videos out that were like 30-40 minutes long. Basically just kind of slowly going through the white paper. I went through a lot of stuff in about 10-12 minutes, so not too bad. It's actually just right to the point, kind of got you everything that you need to know about Bankera, and if that's something that you're interested in, then that's something you're interested in. So yeah, guys, back to what we were talking about. UNIX coins just around the corner. YokuCoin right around the corner today, and that's a beautiful thing, because they're giving a 40% discount today, Monday the 27th of November, And for those of you, I'm repeating myself a little bit, but also want to talk to you guys about UCoin Cash. I don't even know if I put my link in there. I could put my link in there right now and let you guys know, but maybe I'm just going to briefly talk about this one here. This one's got, they just put, if you go to their website, ucoincash.co, they just did their 6th round, and there's 7 rounds left. They're really turning this thing into a real slow situation, and they're really trying to, let's just call it, drip feed the public. You know, and these ICOs, these rounds, I mean, they're gone in 2 minutes. So I mean, it's I've been able to get in. I've been able to, and some of my close friends have been able to get in as well, within my trading group. And that's great, but we're definitely not getting as many tokens as we would like to. And the number of successful buyers that they've had is 11,546. They've had from over 116 countries people getting in on UCoin Cash. So that's just something that, you know, I'm probably gonna do another video on this one, and hopefully they can order some more bandwidth, you know, when they get around to it, you know. But I guess they're making some money over there, and they're probably building something really good in the process. So so yeah, guys, just a few more minutes down before we're starting this ICO here. So let's definitely get involved here and see that we're just at about the 30-minute mark with UnixCoin, and I think that this one is definitely it's definitely looking good. I would even try to just click the buttons and try to buy before the ICO, but obviously that's wishful thinking, and so on and so forth. What are we looking at, guys? Let's see. Total available coins, 5.8 million UNIX. They sold 200,000 already, and there's definitely lots and lots of coins available on this one and whatnot. So, all right, guys, just hang tight there for a minute. Hang tight there for a minute. I'm gonna have to step out for 1 sec here. I've got something I'm going to be breaking to you, very, very important. So just hang tight there while we get you started on these wonderful, wonderful ICOs. Okay. Okay, guys, how are you? If you guys are just joining us now, I appreciate the patience, love, and support for all you guys. And you know, like I said, we're here to help each other make some cash on trading. We've got a ton of ICO action that's happened today. It's going to be happening throughout all the morning and afternoon. Right now, we've got one of the big ones that we're having really soon is going to be in the next 30 minutes is the UnixCoin, UnixCoin.com. Just click the link below. If you guys like my video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. It's always a beautiful thing. I'll subscribe to your channel if you want. It doesn't really matter to me. It's all about us helping one another out here. So I just wanted to kind of go a little bit over, while you guys are doing that, I'm going to go a little bit over UnixCoin. UnixCoin is the latest cryptocurrency emerging in the new era of digital financial world. A lot of fluff here. The concept of UNIX coin is similar to Bitcoin, except the fact that there is still plenty of opportunities to acquire UNIX coin as its ICO price is still affordable, as we were just going over the price, guys. Their mission is to make your money grow faster with our ingenious investment programs. UnixCoin is a cryptocurrency, decentralized. Okay, we know all that stuff, guys. Okay, let's get to it. You know, I like these white papers, but I mean, sometimes it's like you have to kind of scroll down to like page 8 to 15 to really get down to the meat and potatoes. So, but with this one, it's actually pretty good. So the total supply is going to be 19 million. And that's pretty good. You know, like I was looking at the Bankera white paper over the last few days, and I mean, just the amount of zeros on this thing is just driving me crazy. I'm like, how could you have that many billion tokens for Bankera, you know? And yeah, I still think it's going to be a good ICO. It was, you know, it's going to be great. You know, all the rounds are going to do well, with especially the amount of money they're spending on marketing and advertising and all that stuff. So that's great. They put together some good sites, and you know that whole team behind it. You know, they're definitely doing a good job. So kudos to them. But getting back to UnixCoin, I like the fact that there's, like you said, the total supply is 19 million UNX. It's a beautiful thing. So get to the roadmap here. They got the early bird distributions here, ICO, launching marketing communications. Obviously, you want to be doing your marketing and all the roadshow stuff or whatever you're doing right around the time you're doing the ICO. Next month, they're doing the lending program, affiliate program, internal exchange market. All that stuff's happening. So, like, really, all the action is really starting in next month, and then obviously into 2018. They're going to be listing in Coin Market Cap. They're going to be targeting price achievement 25 USD per UNIX coin. Am I hearing that correctly, guys? Did you hear what they said? They're targeting 25 bucks. So I'm just quoting what they're saying, what they're hoping. So that's pretty remarkable if they're able to get even half that. But then again, that's why we like these types of ICOs, because we like to hear that. I hope they can do it, and if they can, that's great for all of us and all the people that are watching this video that do want to click that link and sign up for this. They're going to be also setting up the Android, iOS platforms. They'll be developing that in 2 months from now, in the middle of January. February, marketing campaigns, list in exchange markets. They'll be getting listed, working on enhancements to the website. Target price achievement. They're saying 40 USD, $40. So I don't know, you know, that seems like pretty awesome, you know, and they're thinking by the end of the year this thing is okay, 200 bucks. That's what they're I mean, this is unbelievable. So I mean, you know, if these guys are able to do this with their lending program and all the types of referrals and ways that they have, I think that we know the coin's going to be hot. We know the coin's hot already, but obviously they'd like to have this thing over at 200 bucks by the end of the year. So by the end of next year, if they can do it, great. If they can do 40% of that, or 20, 30% of that, I'm happy. But if they do 200, I'll be on my yacht in Monaco, you know. So anyways, kind of going, you know, like I said, going through the fluff, you know, this thing is ready to go. The final round is going to be December 25th, which doesn't make any sense to me. I mean, who wants to do something on Christmas Day? I mean, I know that there are people that are doing stuff, but the total UNIX coin released are 6 million. So it's going to be basically the first 50 to 1 million is at 90 cents. 1 million to 2 million basically is $1, 2 to 3, $1.10, 3 to 4, $1.2, which is $1.20, 4 to 5, 1.3, which is $1.30, and then 5 to 6 million is going to go for $1.40. So, guys, that's, you know, you buy it $1.40. If these guys are thinking that they can get this thing, you know, upwards of 100 bucks, as they're saying 200 bucks, I mean, that could be, we could be looking at another Bitcoin opportunity if that was the case. So I don't know, but like you said, I'm just kind of reading their white paper on UnixCoin. And guys, if you're just joining us now, remember that this ICO is starting very, very, very soon. We're looking at less than 30 minutes away. So if you guys are jumping in, great. I appreciate it. If you guys like the video, Here, let me see. I see Lion is asking, what are your thoughts on Stenium? And you know what? I've done some research on it, and I appreciate you asking me. I like it. I actually really like it. And that's funny that you mentioned that, because I'm going to make a video. I might even do a live stream regarding Stenium. And I like it, so I appreciate that. And I hope you're paying attention, sir, and you will look into UnixCoin, because if you're paying attention on that, you'll see that these guys are aiming for the sky, you know. But will they get there? Hey, man, if they can make it halfway, I'm happy. Everybody's happy. We're making cash, and you know, we're doing what we do, which is trade cryptocurrencies and make money on ICOs and let everybody else go work at their 9-to-5 jobs and all that stuff. So everybody wants to know, if you're doing an ICO, where's the money going, the distribution, all that stuff. So with UnixCoin, we're looking at they're going to do the 40% for investment, 30% for system development, 20% for long-term maintenance, and then the final 10% is going to be for advertising, marketing, all that stuff to get it out there. And they have a reward system. Investors will be able to get the wide range of benefits during this period. These beneficial systems include lending program, affiliate program, staking program, and mining algorithms. That's what I like to hear, because I know that when it comes to price appreciation of the coin, that's what gets people excited and wants to get into these coins. And you know, like the lending program isn't really a whole lot different than, you know, some of the other ones. So it's like lending amounts up to $1,000, 10% guaranteed, up to 179 days. And like I said, it just goes all the way up to 100,000, 0.35%. I'm sorry, the first one was 0.10%, 0.35%, up to 48%, 45 days, you know, duration. You know, stuff like that is, you know, this is a good one. I definitely am excited about that, and I'm very happy that I have my tokens all ready to go. And I hope their servers don't crash. We'll have to see what happens there, you know. But outside of that, thank you guys for watching my video. I appreciate it. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, click the YokuCoin, click the TEXCOIN, click the UnixCoin, the Unix button. Click all those button coins. Click them, whatever you want to call them, links, coins, because you know, you can call it gold, you can call it platinum. Just click the hyperlinks, guys. Go do your research. You know, I've done my research. My team, we've done our research. We're in it to win it. You know, I mean, you guys got to see my new intro video. I mean, it's, you know, I mean, we're making cash here, guys. You know, this is real money we're talking about. You know, this reminds me of the gold rush over 100, 120, 140 years ago. Or this reminds me of you know, the internet in the 90s. You know, it was like, it was wide open. It was a beautiful thing. And then, you know, a bunch of corporations came in and you know, sucked all the juice out of it and kind of made it boring, you know. But this is, blockchain system is exciting, guys, and this is a special time to be alive and a special time to be involved in this, you know. And I really am glad that you guys are here watching this with me and going through this this white paper. So again, they've got the lending program here. And it says they have for investors who prefer fixed returns. Okay, because I went over the other percentage there. Fixed returns, self-controlled lending program is another appropriate choice, which is something I haven't seen in some of those. Just choosing the longevity you admire and receive the fixed interest rate. So duration 7 days, 3%. 15 days, 9%. 30 days, 20%. 45 days, 35%. Okay, so that's kind of, it's what we like, guys. They got the affiliate program, They got up. It starts at 8%, and then it goes down down the line all the way down to 0.2%. You know, they got the staking program. I like staking programs. For those of you that don't know about staking program, for investors who are not ready to join our lending program, just holding UNIX coins in your wallet can bring you considerable return. The earning interest rate from owning UNIX coin is 10% annually. Okay, I've seen higher, I'm not going to lie, but I mean, guys, that's just keeping your wallet with tokens in it, you know, and maybe keeping it on the node so it adds security to your, you know, add to the overall platform, you know, which is important. After being launched in an open market, investors can also make profit by trading UNIX coin through internal platforms and external platforms. With the long-term development plan, this is also one of the profitable investment opportunities. And again, guys, for those of you that are just joining us, we're on UNIX coin. We're about just going through the white paper. We just want to kind of breeze over it because I'm already logged into my account. I've got my wallets ready on this one. And this is, you know, we're going into the round here. It's starting very soon. Just want to make sure I'm still logged in. So I'm going to just have to put this just on hold. I want to make sure, okay. So yeah, we're less, is it still, that was just a 28 minutes a little while ago. Well, whatever. All right, let me see where we're at with that. I think we're at about 20 minutes right now. Okay, no, I'm sorry. 18 minutes. I was about to say, I was looking at the wrong clock. 18 minutes and 5 seconds to go. All right, cool. Super excited, guys. Super excited. So, you know, kind of, you know, talking about this UNIX coin, they're putting a target price on that. And, you know, like I said, it's exciting, but, you know, it might be a little bit on the high side, you know. And that being said, you know, I'm not shy. I'm not shy getting in at, you know, $1 or 90 cents or something like that, and taking my chances, you know, especially when it has such an interesting program with the referrals, with lending, with staking. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. You know, I mean, you know, these people are really, really promoting the chance, you know, of really getting the highest return to all the people involved that are jumping in, and it shows here in the white paper. Yeah, so, you know, after everything that's been said, therefore, we strongly encourage all investors to study the investment plan thoroughly before stating your processes. Furthermore, to prevent fraud, we recommend that all investors register and make all transactions by themselves via our website, which I've told you guys already before. You don't have to worry about it. Just click the link below, and you can log in through there. It's very easy. And for those of you that are just joining me, I went over the ICO distribution. I went over the lending rates that they're offering. They have a fixed program as well. They've got a roadmap, and in that roadmap, they've got basically everything that they're doing from POS, POW, lending programs, affiliate programs, staking programs. They don't have the staking program in the roadmap, but it is deeper down into the white paper. An internal exchange market. And throughout this roadmap, guys, these people are talking about the price of this thing going upwards to $25 and then breaking the $40 threshold. And then they say by the end of 2018, they want this thing selling for $200 per UNIX token. $200, okay? I'm just telling you, you know, and when you their whole motto is wake up to success. You know, so I mean, I guess the whole idea is let your money work for you while you sleep, so when you wake up, you can feel good about working in the ICO and not in the ICU, so to speak. You know, I've been talking about that. So, so just to kind of recap it, guys, we've been working on this UNIX coin. We've been watching it for a while. We're going over the white paper. The round is about to start. I'm going to be tuning out here very soon because I have to get locked and loaded. I have to make sure my internet connection is top notch. so I can participate in this thing. I want these tokens. I want them, but it's risky as hell, guys. Okay, it's risky, and I would never, I'm not telling you ever to buy anything or participate in anything you don't want, but I will tell you, do the research. This is a special time to be alive with all this action going on. We have real, proper free markets that are happening now. We have people that are becoming multimillionaires and billionaires every day. Lots of new money coming into the mix. It's a beautiful, beautiful time to be alive, guys. So that being said, I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and please like my video and please subscribe to my channel. I certainly appreciate all that. And again, cryptoconniption.com. Okay, we are all having a conniption fit when we can't buy tokens and when servers freeze up. We also have conniption effect when we get extremely ecstatic about the money that we make in cryptocurrency. So cryptoconniption.com. Visit our website. Subscribe to our channel, like our video, and anything that you guys want me to do an analysis on as far as ICOs, videos, I'll do it for you, okay? I will do it for you. I'll give you my honest approach. I will call the company. I will call analysts. I'll call leading movers and shakers that work in the industry since it's been around, from Bitcoin to Ethereum to all that. And I'll talk to attorneys. I'll talk to whoever just to make sure that I can give you a real honest assessment. It's not just going to be of my own. It's going to be from a consensus of professionals and people that just know what the hell's going on. So anyways, guys, thanks so much. CryptoConniption.com. Please like my page. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon.